Destiny Ridge. Hey! How are we, viewers? Are we having a fat time? I know I am. Anyway, oh mate, because I got the camera out. We must be doing some trip somewhere. Little surprise for this basket, I can tell you. And I said basket. So, I smoothed all that out with the tractor before. That worked pretty good. I didn't want to hit my little tree. That's the, I'll just show you. That's me orange tree my mum bought me. It's being the first fruit tree, or first any sort of edible. Well, there's probably edible fruit on this place, but I don't know where it is. So, see? Nice little orange tree. And, look, see? I got a little bit more. I didn't want to get too close to the tank, so I'll use a shovel on that with that. That'll get a bit more of the fat off. Won't it, viewers? How long do you reckon it's going to take me to do that? Because I'm going to tell you. Hey, here's another thing. Look at all the wild bees. See them? Can you see them all? Now, the Australian native wild bee, and I've been feeding them, see? The Canadian syrup. Now, there's a fair few dead ones in there, but more live than dead. Not many flowers around at the moment, so I'm giving them a feed. Now, so those that don't know, wild Australian bees don't sting. They don't bite, there's no sting. They're sacrificial. No, but without a sting and not much defense, I'd reckon they're pretty far up, or pretty far down, sorry, on the food chain. Now today we're going to wash old Boggo. See all the dirt that's caked up in there, and on the wheels, around the valve, around the back. Yes, we all know when that happened. That happened when I got bogged. About a year ago. Finally got around to doing it. Well, I didn't have the water before. Now that I have the water, I'm going to put you over here on the Vader boy, so you can sit up there on Vader, and I'll turn you around so you can see the tractor. Well, as much of it, I can't get you too close. Reason being, the soil is too soft. See, watch for the footprints. Too soft. So, let's get this thing started. So, I think every man in his life should buy a pressure washer for cleaning your house or your car. I bought this one when I bought my Land Cruiser because I envisaged going to the beach every third Sunday, which I did go to the beach. Might have been one time. Fuel's on. Switch is on. I bought this pressure washer because it had a 20-metre lead on it. Love that. It's got the washy thing happening at the minute. I don't like about this, it doesn't have a bloody swivel on it. it's pretty muddy in there still. Look. It's muddy. Oh my goodness. Here, I'm gonna do, yeah, I'll show you. Let's dry off a little bit. Like a pocket. I'm gonna need a shower after this. Yeah, it's muddy in there. Like cutting rock. Good. Good. Mud. Mud everywhere. So I'm pretty sure the mud just transferred from tractor to cliff. Yee-hoo! Yeah, that's getting it. Yep. Towards the hose. Yep. Certainly am, Ollie. silly hose. Yep, your glasses nearly fell off. That's the trouble with high pressure sprayers, viewers. You wear just as much as whatever you're spraying. Righto. I reckon that'll do him. And this is what happens when you don't have a swivel on your hose. See, it just ends up in a big mess. Still more in there. And this is what I look like. Oh my God, glasses, look at me glasses, they're just shit. All over me face, in me hair. Oh, I'm gonna need a shower. Not immediately, I gotta do the caravan yet. That's the next thing to do. Oh, look out. Sonny, stop it. I don't care that you want to go for a ride, mate. Stop your whinging, mate. Thank you. Oh, and I missed a bit underneath that front. But, see you soon. Hey viewers, so after washing this thing, or while washing this, ended up with a bit of dirt in my eye. Bit of mud flicked back, it got me in the eye, went over the top of my glasses. So, pack him up now, and yeah. I'll wash my eye out more. I did wash it out already, but look at the mess. Look at the stupid hose. Stupid fucking, oh. See? Get a hose with a swivel, people, because this is what you end up with. This big knot, this big mess. It even picks up bits of bark. Loves to carry that crap around. Oh, my grandfather's here, helping out. Good on him. Anyway, that's a family joke. My grandfather was a joker when he was alive. Loved playing practical jokes on people. And I'm of the belief that after you pass, you spend your time, well, you depending on how you are towards people in your life. Like, I mean, if you treat people like shit and you kill people and all of that, you'll end up with a very black spirit. So after you die, you're a spirit. And what I'm saying is, my grandfather, he was a joker. He was the type of person that would hide your keys from you, like on the day you're going for the best job interview of your life. So, and when it was the last second, you might find your keys, you know, or he'd say, oh no, they're in the drawer over there, I'll put them there. Anyway, and have a bit of a laugh. Well, I am of the opinion that he is in the spirit realm, and he's still a bit of a joker. So when, you know, when you can't find your keys, or you know you've got a bottle of sauce in the cupboard, but you can't find it, well, you know you put it there, that it could be someone like him. See, it might be a bit of a joker in your family. Well, to get around that, you got to ask your ancestors to help you out, and get him away from you, so you can find your keys, or you can find your bottle of sauce, or whatever, right? And it's, you know, we've all seen, so we've all seen YouTube things, and you can look them up. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. This people, see, my granddad's here. First was a bit of bark. Now, how many times is that going to get wrapped around that in your life? See, he just guides it there and says, ah. that'll upset him, and because I've upset him, I'll get a laugh. And when he gets a laugh, he gets a bit of pleasure, and because he's got a darker spirit, a bit of pain, a bit of angst, a bit of confusion, and everything that goes with frustration, when your hose is all tangled and whatnot, that's when he is in his heaven. So yeah, that's the way I see, not heaven, but his spiritual realm. He finds that if he was to sit next to a river and be placid and calm and peaceful, he might like that for a little while, but he likes to be a joker. So he likes to come down here and say to me, Cliff, take your new tractor for a run along this track. And when you're doing it, don't worry about that boggy mess that's coming up. Don't worry about that. Put your blade down and see if you can blade through it. And if you get stuck, you got a four-wheel drive. It's all right. Well, I got to tell you, it's not all right. You get bogged. The truck pulling you out, which is my truck, because I had to walk 2 k's to go and get it, got bogged. And finally, after 1 year, I washed it off. Ah dear, because now I have some water. So, I got a sore eye, so today, that's as far as I'm going. Oh well, no, I've still got to clean out the caravan. I can do that with a sore eye, but I won't be washing any more stuff. So, I'll put this away. This is a, Giants. I bought it on the net. It was 400 bucks, I think. It's got a 20 metre hose, but it doesn't have a swivel, so I got to buy a swivel. And 4,400 psi or something. 4,100 psi. So once I got the pump off the inverter and it was working all the time, the thing worked really well and got cleaned up. Now the reason why I'm cleaning it up is because I've got to take that box blade off the back, and I need to put the slasher on. My uncle helped me fix. Thank you very much, sir, again. And do some slashing, because I haven't done some slashing for a long time, about 8 months or 6 months, and grass is pretty long. It's about 2 foot long. Oh, that's a pretty heavy little contraption, that thing. Anyway, all right, go and have some fun. Whew. I am. And say hello to your ancestors, and hope that they treat you right. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look, there's a little bit, and the end of my finger. Anyway, there's Winger. Hey, Sonny. Yeah, no, we're not going anywhere. No. Well, he says, well, if we're not going anywhere, you're going to pat me for 20 minutes. Well, I got to tell you, mate, I'm not going to pat you for 20 minutes. I'm going to go inside and have some lunch. Come on, big fella. Oh, and then I'm going to have a shower. Then I'm going to clean out the van, because having a shower will probably wash my eyeball out. And that'll be good. Anyway, I'll catch you on the morrow. See ya. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications. See you next time.